What if I lose all my iPhone data? Photos, chat history, apps, everything's gone. Can iCloud really recover it all? Today, we'll conduct the ultimate data recovery stress test. Only 1 hour. Let's see how much of my digital life I can recover in 60 minutes. First, the recovery. Standard iCloud recovery. Let it run. But the real secret is here. While we wait, I'm using a secret weapon. Gbyte Data Recovery. This tool is real. You can download it for free on your phone or PC. Let's download it and try it out and see how it differs from traditional data recovery. It displays everything that might still be on your phone. Old text messages, deleted photos, app documents, things you thought were gone forever. You can view the full preview for free. Only after you see your precious data can you decide whether to unlock the full recovery feature. Zero risk, access to all your information. And the result? iCloud accomplished its mission. Data recovery wasn't ideal. Most of the data was missing, but Gbyte Deep Scan found all the hidden data. An overall recovery rate of 98.5% was achieved. It's simply unbelievable. 98.5%. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What are you most afraid of losing from your phone? Your hidden photo library? Or that memorable iMessage conversation? Leave your guesses and your own terrifying data loss experiences in the comments. If you've ever panicked and deleted data from your phone, now you know what to try first. Gbyte. Link in the description.